Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this newly listed pool home with a casita. Hang out, check it out too. I'll tell you in a minute. All right guys, this is 1618 Linda Drive, relisted for $737,700. Right down the street to Windsor launch ramp on the lakeside of the highway. Super desirable area. A couple of $1 million houses on this street. Doing another build across the street there. So this one also has a full solar panel system that is owned and not leased. There is a vacant lot next door that will be built on at some point. You can see the property line between the two water boxes here. So this does sit on a pretty big lot, 11,500 square feet. Has a cool little covered courtyard entry. That is the access to the casita there on the right and the front door. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2005. Again, on the lakeside of the highway. Relisted for $737,700. The 4th bedroom is a casita that has its own separate entrance off the entry that we just saw. This one, again, sits on a big 11,500 square foot lot right down the street to Windsor launch ramp. So a big open living area, vaulted ceilings. There is a double-sided fireplace that runs on propane that backs to the master bedroom. And there are 2 sliders out to the backyard pool area. One off the living area here and one off the kitchen. It's a nice little eating area, granite tile topped kitchen with a little island, reverse osmosis drinking water at the sink. You have your little walk-in pantry. And here's your other slider out to the backyard pool area. So this is a split floor plan. You have your master on one side of the house and the other guest bedrooms on the other side of the house. This is the master, plank tile floors in here, double doors out to the backyard pool area. Looks like it also has a skylight. Looks like the whole house is pre-wired for sound or low voltage or whatever you want to put there. There's your double-sided fireplace. So here is your master bath. It does have dual separate vanities. Has a jetted tub. And you have your big tiled walk-in shower. Toilet with its own door. And then you have his and her walk-in closets. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have the other 2 guest beds and a guest bath on the other side of the house. This would be guest bedroom number 2. It's a little narrow, but they have a little twin in here. This one does have a triple slider closet door. So it's like almost the length of the bedroom. And you have your guest bath, solid surface counters. And guest bedroom number 2. This is a much bigger room. All right, let's go check out the casita, the pool, and the garage. All right, so you have a nice little front casita, has its own entry. Some people call it a lockout. We call it a casita here in Lake Havasu. Has a little kitchenette. Unfortunately, with the single family zoning, you cannot have a stove in here. It does have a sink, a fridge, and a little microwave. Some people put little hot plates in there. Looks like it has its own AC return. And your master bath in the casita. Also has a decent sized walked-in closet. All right, onto the garage and pool. So off the living area, you have your indoor laundry and access to the garage. Pretty big laundry. All right, so you have a 3-car garage. It has 28-foot bays and a 23-foot bay. Both 8-foot doors are both insulated. This little 1-car side, 16 feet wide at the opening, and the 2-car is 22 feet wide at the opening. So you have your utility sink, reverse osmosis, water heater, and soft water. Also looks like it's plumbed for a central vac. And then you have a roll-up door to the rear. Your solar panel stuff back here is installed. Again, this is a owned system, so there's no lease or monthly payments. All right, so you have a oversized, full-length, covered back patio. Has a couple ceiling fans. Nice little lake shot. Here's your little lake shot off the patio here. So the pool is a little dirty just because it's a little windy today. So besides that, it looks to be in decent condition. Has some pop-up cleaners. Nice big spa. So I get the pool safety thing with the gate, but the first thing I would do is remove this wrought iron gate because it really blocks access to the pool. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Linda Drive. Again, this one was just relisted for $737,700. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.